Hey there, well, welcome back. Today I got a cool kind of a hack for you. Something quick and easy for people who do action camera on the go kind of thing, particularly using a selfie stick. Used to make fun of these things before I started using them, and now, I mean, they're made by God, I swear, and not that great, but they're pretty good. They're very useful. Not for selfies. I don't use them for that. I use them to get in tight places, rafters and joists and places on cars and stuff I need to do work. But in doing those things, it can be hard to get light into there. Or if you're, doing outside shots in dim light or in underground situations, inside buildings, etc., having to hold a selfie stick and a flashlight or a headlamp can be problematic. I got a tip for that, so let's get right into it. First of all, you'll need your selfie stick. You'll need a couple of the action camera mounts that have the 1/4 inch by 20 screw in them. You'll need the lock nut from like a tripod or something like that. They usually come with these kits. There's a few of them on different things. They just screw right off. You'll need a headlamp. And the ones specifically are the Work Crew 3-piece from Walmart. They're 120 lumens. They have 3 different settings. So you have your regular bright, you have an angled down, which is slightly dimmer, and then you have a flash. Most of the time you'll just use the first setting. So what you're going to need also is a small chunk of ready rod or a bolt. You can cut it off a 1/4 inch bolt, 1/4 inch by 20 thread, united thread, and you can cut it off a bolt like this if you have a hacksaw or whatever, or you can buy the ready rod, or you could even swipe it from an old tripod or something you don't use, but you'll just need one of those. So first thing, you screw that onto the lock nut piece, and then you take and you screw that into one of the camera mounts, leaving the clip at the top. And now you'll take another one of these. This one you want to tighten in as much as you can get it. So basically go deep all the way in. Now once you do that, you can back this other one off a bit and then adjust it so you have something that looks like that. Right, now you have your camera either in the top or the bottom one. And these, take the headband piece off, leave everything else on it. The red button, the part that you actually need to click, you put in like that. And now when you click this on, you have a light. Alright, so now you have something that resembles this. This one is the light on the bottom, obviously, and the camera on the top. Not my favorite way to run that when it's in the drop-down position, so I'm just going to switch those around. And now I have it with the light on the top, the camera on the bottom, and attach the selfie stick to it. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's multiple different configurations you could use. It depends on your equipment, your selfie stick, if it's a quality one or if it's something more in the budget range. If it's in the budget range, running it with the camera on the top side can be problematic because it tends to do that. But if you have a good quality one and it's fairly solid, then there's no problem. For most people, if you're using one of the budget ones, you're going to want to run it straight up and down like this, or alternatively you can run it like that, so that it's straight up and down. You can use it to film yourself, film on a tripod, all sorts of stuff. So the light on the top seems to work better because you get more of a cast down. There's 3 settings on these headlamps. The first one is really bright. The next one down is a little bit dimmer, but it's on more of an angle, straight down. And then the third one, which you probably won't use much, is flashing. So, but yeah, if you're using it for most normal things like this, the up and down version works well. Wherever you point the camera is where the light is going to go, so you don't have to worry about coordinating your head, your arm, and a flashlight or headlamp, etc. what you pointed at is what you're going to light up, and you're going to film at the same time. So no more of that, you know, you got the camera facing over here and you're looking left or something. Depends on what you're doing with it. So yeah, that's my take, my hack for attaching a camera to a light for action shots and whatnot. If you like the video, as always, like and subscribe. Leave your comments, questions, experiences in the comment section below. I'm always happy to hear from people, and I do appreciate the subscriptions and the likes. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take her easy.